Hi guys, it's Jason here and I will be teaching you how to use your calculator in solving systems of equation. So the very first thing that you should do is to grab your calculator so that you will be able to follow my instructions in this video. So for this video, we will just be using the same given that we want to find in the example. The first equation will be 1 over 6 v1 minus 1 over 15 v2 is equal to 2, and the second equation will be 1 over 15 v1 minus 4 over 15 v2 is equal to negative 4. Okay, so the first step would then be to click Mode. Then you'll have the options in this screen. You have 1 comp, 2 complex, 3 stat, 4 base n, 5 equation. So in this example, we need to choose 5 for our equation. So let's just click 5 here. Then you will have these options in your screen. 1 would be intended for those problems with 2 unknowns, or maybe you will be having 2 equations. 2 would then be for those problems involving 3 unknowns and 3 equations. So for this problem, since we only need to find the values for v1 and v2, then we will be choosing option 1. So in this next step, you will be able to find this image here. So all you have to do is to input the numerical coefficient of your given. So for your equation 1, you have 1 over 6. So you'll just have to input 1 divided by 6. So that's for your first numerical coefficient. Then for your second term, you have negative 1 over 15. Okay. Then for your last coefficient for your equation 1, you have 2. For the second equation, you have 1 over negative 1 over 15, right? Then you have negative 4 divided by 15. Okay. Then for your last numerical coefficient is negative 4. That's it. So now you were able to input all of the numerical values into your calculator. And the next step that you should do is just to click equal sign. Now you have it. X is equal to 20. X is the value for your first variable. So that would be v1. And for your y is equal to 20. So that will be your value for your v2. Then if you want to reset your calculators back to normal, you'll just have to press mode, then option number 1. Then your calculators will be back to your old setup. So this is how you use your calculators in solving systems of equations like what we did in the example. I hope this video will help you a lot so that you would also be able to apply the techniques and methods that I just taught you in 3 equations, 3 unknowns for the following examples.